Welcome back to Module 2, Physics. In this video, we start fluid dynamics, covering density, relative density, viscosity, and fluid resistance. Density tells us how much mass is packed into a given volume. It is calculated as ρ equals m over v, where ρ is density, m is mass, and v is volume. Here, both containers hold the same volume, but container B has less mass packed into it, so B is less dense than A. Relative density, also called specific gravity, compares a fluid's density to the density of water. It equals ρ fluid over ROO water. Water is always the reference, at Sg equals 1.0. Oil has a relative density below 1, which is why it floats on top of water. Viscosity is a fluid's internal resistance to flow, caused by friction between layers moving at different speeds. Here, the top plate is dragged sideways, and the fluid layer touching it moves fastest, while the layer touching the fixed plate barely moves at all. Shear stress, tau, equals eta. The dynamic viscosity times the velocity gradient. A higher viscosity means more resistance to flow. Fluid resistance is the drag a fluid experiences as it moves through a pipe or over a surface. It increases with the fluid's viscosity, its flow velocity, the pipe's diameter and length, and how rough the internal surface is. A narrower or rougher pipe means more resistance to the flow. Flow can take one of two patterns. In laminar flow, the fluid moves in smooth, parallel layers with little mixing between them. In turbulent flow, the fluid moves chaotically, with swirling eddies and constant mixing. Whether flow is laminar or turbulent depends on the Reynolds number. A low Reynolds number gives laminar flow, and a high Reynolds number gives turbulent flow. Here is one for you to try. A fluid sample has a mass of 850 grams and occupies a volume of 1,000 cubic centimeters. Calculate its density in kilograms per cubic meter. Pause the video now. Read the question and select your answer. The correct answer is B ρ equals sine mv. Read the question and select your answer. The correct answer is C. Water is always the Sg reference. Read the question and select your answer. The correct answer is B. Laminar equals sine smooth ordered layers. That completes video 13. Next time we continue with fluid dynamics, looking at Bernoulli's theorem and the Venturi effect. See you there.